action. Let's stop.
Yeah.
Stop now. I'm happy. So, we're going to talk about another one of the great features that came already included with our camper that we were going to have to add to our bus.
Right.
So, this gives us an option of a lot of shade, and you got to be careful when you're buying a used RV. This is one of those things you want to check because they're rolled up and you don't know what you're going to get into. But let's go ahead and put this awning out and show everybody how big it is. And just like that, we've got shade and an awning already built in. We were working on how we were going to get one on our bus, and we had picked out a few options. Fully adjustable, keeps a nice dew off you in the evening and rain in the summer, or the rain in the storm. And simple as that, you've got a nice awning. Good morning. I had a great night's sleep last night and woke up and remembered today's my birthday. So I'm going to have a great birthday breakfast this morning, and then we're going to kind of lay back and just do a few little things here on the new RV and continue to get it ready for the upcoming move into it eventually, where this is where we live full time. Got some things to work out, but I'm going to knock out some breakfast and I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. Okay, back on this breakfast thing while we're having it. Tracy made me some toast, and then she gave me this and said that's a cereal bowl. And I'm like, no, the cereal bowl should be. But I don't know, I'll try it.
You might have to eat 2 or 3 bowls.
Well, I'm gonna need a tablespoon to put milk in it. We'll be back with y'all in a little bit. We're gonna resolve this one way or the other, and I'm gonna have my birthday breakfast. I'll just have 73 bowls.
There you go.
See you in a little bit. Today we're going to get a tile backsplash put in to the kitchen, and
Shiplap in the bedroom.
we've been playing with the camper for a week since we last talked, and we've decided we want to spice it up and make it a little bit more our own. We've spent more time checking everything. It's solid. Solid as a rock. Furnace works because it was kind of cool this morning. Here along the coast it was cool. It was 60 degrees, so I went ahead and turned the furnace on and checked it. It worked good.
Here is the backsplash we're installing
For the kitchen.
for the kitchen. Here is the
Shiplap.
shiplap that I'm installing in the bedroom.
Reclaimed shiplap. So we're going to try this because we don't want to add weight to the camper. So those are the projects we're going to get started on right now, and we'll go ahead and get Tracy started getting her shiplap put up in the bedroom.
To get started on the shiplap on this wall, I'm going to have to remove a few pieces of trim to get the wallpaper under it, so bear with me. Do you think I should take the molding off around the top too?
Yeah, I'd leave that in
Okay.
because you can't take the rubber off the side,
Right.
and then you'll just have to take this and put it up against it and cut.
Okay.
I think. Just get to start here.
Yeah, I got one of
Hmm.
those. Yeah. You know what? While I'm down here, I think I'm gonna change this nasty vent out because I bought new ones. And these are just gross. These are the new ones. Look at that, would you? That's awesome. These are gross. Should probably be up against the wall.
Well, I've been piddling around doing a little bit of nothing all day. As you can see here, Tracy has really gotten this in here looking good. She's updating this, and I'd say we probably did, what, about 20-year update on this?
Yes.
The old textured wallboard was kind of ugly.
Yeah.
And the shiplap is going to look really good. Tracy will quickly turn this new RV travel trailer into our home and make it her way. Wait till y'all see what she does with the kitchen. While she does what she does, which is great work, I'm gonna go whip up a gourmet meal. Since she's doing the work, I'll do the cooking.
Yay!
Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a banquet. What do you think, babe?
I think it's gonna be beautiful, but it's a pain in the butt.
It does look nice. You did an amazing job. Currently, your side of the bed's done. Mm-hmm. My side of the bed looks like an old camper. And the bed
is a disaster.
It's a disaster. But you do good work.
Thanks.
Whew, long day.
Yes.
Took a lot longer to do the shiplap than you thought.
It did.
But we're gonna call it a day today, and we're gonna go climb in bed and try to get a peaceful night's sleep, and I'll show you how this works. Go ahead and climb in bed, Trace.
All right.
I don't know if it's peaceful.
Come here, Daves. Lay down, Eddie. Lay down. Come here, Daves. Come here, baby.
The shiplap turned out really nice.
Yeah, it did.
Got the TV mounted. We got to hide the wires, but we're getting out of here. It's bedtime. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Peace out.